Um, quiz Friday, okay? Dylan, can you close the door? Few things I want to point out that I haven't explicitly said in a little bit. Especially because some of you are doing SATs this weekend. Kevin, can you get a notebook out? Thank you. All right. So, Jean Gideon, hold up a sec. I want to point out here, first of all, log, you guys should know this. We're not allowed to do log of negatives or 0. So, this is, all right, so we're saying log of what? The what has to be greater than 0, whatever it was. If it was log of x minus 2, x minus 2 had to be greater than 0. But here's another thing that I didn't explicitly say. So the base, the thing that we're raising to a power, for what we do, it's got to be bigger than 0 and not 1. Because Dylan, looking at this one, is log base 1 of 3 equals x. Convert that to exponential for us.
1 to the power of x equals 3.
1 to the power of, well, when does 1 times itself a whole bunch of times equal? Yeah, Dylan's like, it doesn't, duh. So this is why the base can't be 1. And that's the kind of thing that SATs will do. They'll be like, ooh, they use the words non-negative. What's the difference between non-negative and positive? What? Not what? So, yeah, they're not exactly the same.
Is it like
0.
0?
Non-negative, that's 0. So if they say non-negative versus positive, non-negative is including the 0. I apologize for the stupid wording, but they do this to you on the SATs. And again, some people are taking it on Saturday. So if they decide to get weird with you about logs, the base is not allowed to be 1. Because when is 1 times itself some number of times equal to 3? It isn't. Okay. So we do have a quiz Friday, and I would like you guys to try these 2 problems. Talk to the people in your group, write them down. And I'm going to cover up the bottom of the slide so people in the back can see. Megan, that's good. Nate and Alicia, that's good. We'll already have the answers written on whiteboards. So walking by, I see one group says the first one is this, and they said this one is 15. I might not have, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can exchange log and ln. So if like the log base, if it doesn't have one, you assume it's 10, like you exchange like 10 and 8 right now.
Okay. So there's a question here. Mike,
Like if you wanted to turn that into.
okay, so there's nothing written as a base on ln. What is the base?
E.
E. There's nothing written on this base. What is it? 10. There, and this one, okay, it's the 2. Okay? So if it's not written, you got to know if it's log, the base implied is 10. If it's ln, the base implied is E. So,
Would you do ln 10? Or like, would you do log E?
So, okay. Technically, how do we undo log? We do exponential. Exponential of what? E in this case. So really what we're doing is x cubed equals e to the 12th. We do e to both sides. E and ln undo each other so that that stuff kind of goes away. I hate that process, and I always see this as basically I do e to the 12 equals x cubed, even though this is like makes more sense. But whichever way works for you, you can either convert from log to exponential, or you can exponentiate it on both sides. I don't. But we weren't finished. Jean Gideon, what did you say to do on number 1 to finish the problem?
You have to convert it.
We did convert. So, but I have x cubed. I don't want x cubed. I want x.
You gotta get rid of the cube, so you gotta cube it.
Okay. Charles, what is that? E to the 4th. So it is what that group said earlier. Chloe, on number 2, is the first thing that I do change from log to exponential? No. Okay, what do I do? Okay, get rid of this dude first, just like algebra. Add 5 to both sides. All right, so I have 6 log base 2 of x plus 1 equals 24. All right. Holiday, what would you do next?
I did 2 to 24 equals x plus 1 to 6.
Okay, so you moved this inside. Okay, I'm gonna do one step at a time because I got lost with that. X plus 1 to the 6th equals 2 to the 24. Ooh, sorry. One step at a time. To the 24, and then she said 2 to the 24 equals x plus 1 to the 6. Ooh, scary monsters. All right. How do I peel that 6 off of that?
Divided by
Nate?
6.
Oh, yeah, I said, 2 parentheses, 2 to the 4th parentheses to the 6th, and then the powers of 6 on each side cancel.
Okay, so, because I don't want to have to rewrite, but he changed 24 to be 4 times 6. I'm going to raise both sides to the 1/6. And so 2 to the 4 equals, Arden, 6th power to the 6 to the 1/6 is what? 1. Okay. Do I need to keep the parentheses? No, okay. So 2 to the 4th is,
16.
and then subtract 1, and yeah, I agree with that 15. Okay? Yeah,
Can you not just divide the 6 off? Like,
totally can.
okay.
All right, so, let you look at that for a second, but Emmy said the line that went from green to red, she said, you know what? I'm gonna just divide by 6 right here. And she got log base 2 of x plus 1 equals 4. And then she goes right here to there. They're both valid, perfectly good solution methods. Some of you flip out with this exponent being so big, but a number of you did that method and it's fine. as long as it doesn't bother you. But they both get you the same way, same place. Good? Okay, all right. I would like to go over the worksheet, but I wanna do some other problems first. And the way we're gonna do this. So, groups 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, can you guys go up to the boards? And try this problem. And groups 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10 and 11, you guys work together. You guys do the problem, this one, back on the backboard. Woo, okay. Group 7 through 11. So Dylan and Mayuna team up with Alicia and Nate. So up at the board, write the problem down, show your method. Why don't you just go to the board and give it a go? Guys, do the problem at the board. Stand up, walk around, do something. Motivate.
So I got that, and then top, and then just solve.
Yeah.
It's 4.
Oh, yep.
Oh, wait, no, wait. No, you're right. I'm looking the wrong way. Never mind, you're right.
8 times.
No, not yet.
Oh, yeah, 5. It's just like a.
And then multiply it.
Oh, okay. Is it factoring on 3 yet? It's not X minus Y. That's a mistake.
And then
Exponential to 5x.
Oh, yeah.
no, because just use Dylan log.
2 to the 4th power equals 5x.
Oh.
I think, right? Okay, yeah. It looks right. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, wait, no, you moved forward.
Okay. So groups 1 through 5 all seem to have gotten the same answer. And groups 7 through 11, teeny tiny writing. I see 4.5, I see 9 over 2. Are those the same answer, 4.5 and 9 over 2? Yep, okay. Just checking. All right, so the work looks good. What groups 1 through 5 did, their first step, combine these guys. Log of the same base, addition across becomes multiply inside. And then they converted from log to exponential and solved. Got a fraction. Are we allowed to have fractions? Sure. But I should check. Plugging this back in didn't cause any negatives or zeros, so that's good. The other groups, they had a subtraction between these guys, and that's division inside. Okay, gross. They managed it, and then they translated from log to exponential, cross multiply and carefully distribute the 4 to everybody, which they did, and then they solved and they also got a fraction. And checking, plugging in 9 over 2 minus 2 still works, so that's good. All right? Questions? Okay. So now, same group, same places. Can you guys try those 2 problems? So back up at the boards. Jean Gideon, we've already moved on, so sorry. Get up. Jonathan. Sorry guys, you can use the little felt stuff as erasers.
Wait, I think it's gonna be like this. Or x squared.
Log 2. It's log 2. X plus 2.
No, that's the last one. It's log 6.
Oh wait, are you writing the original?
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just see that one. Okay, wait.
It's log x.
X plus 1.
Log 6x.
It's log 2 x plus 1.
Oh, okay.
Plus log 6x. Equals 1.
Or x squared, sorry.
2x squared.
No, it's just 2. Or x squared.
No.
X squared. Log x
Equals log
squared.
6.
Log 6. X squared. Do I need to change
What's this in
Oh,
Like then it'll be x squared plus x minus x. Wait, I don't.
so guys,
So I guess
these are log 6, these are log 3, so they're, you copied it wrong.
Wait.
Log base 6, so, okay. Sophia, you combined this one and that one, so I will just take it away.
Okay.
I'm like, what do you mean change the base? You don't need to do that. Oh. So it's copied wrong, they made it impossible. So it shouldn't be an issue. But then, yeah, just take a pass. Okay. Stuff is up. So the problem is not that hard when you have it copied correctly. All right, so again, the first thing people did, addition across is multiply within, all right? And then change from log to exponential, and we get the dreaded algebra problem. How are you guys with algebra? You friends again? Or at least acquaintances and you can get along if you had to work together? They're just like, yeah, we're good. not real tight, but. Okay, and everybody in group 1 through 5 got 2 answers, and they threw out the x equals -3 because they went and looked back and said, hey, when I plug -3 into that either one, I'm doing log of a negative, and they throw it out. And looking at the other groups, they also got 2 answers and knew to throw out their negative solution. But again, so my concern for the quiz is when you guys get to the algebra, that you're gonna forget how to do that. Move everything to one side, get the equal 0, don't just drop it. You need the equal 0, factor, turn it into one thing times another. When is this one 0, when is that one 0, check your answers. Cool? Okay. Should we do the hard ones, or? Where did it go? All right. These 2 are next.
I'll try and
Okay, you guys stayed seated last time.
Okay. Log 4.
You gotta like write it down, but you can solve it up there.
And then
Like,
separately x minus 4. Yeah, with parentheses.
just the idea.
Plus log 4.
I don't know if they trust you.
X equals log 4. And then 5. Perfect.
I threw the other one away so it didn't get in the way this time. Can you wait till Ashley comes back? Do you know who Ashley is? She has long black hair.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I thought I was listening. I didn't learn yet.
Can we just minus the whole block? Just subtract out. Like, would you?
Oh,
Yeah, would you like? Yeah.
You said it equals 0, and then put like, you're only cancel 0 with 1. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
I'll do the thing where it's like 4 or 5 to the
I saw you at training and I was like,
What is
that
it?
needed.
Okay, so a different question.
Me, Nico, oh, Mike? He used to be there.
What do I know about blood?
He has stuff. He used to, he was there last year.
Yes. We can kind of cancel them out. Because
So you can just do x squared minus 4x equals 5.
yeah.
And then
Are
there's
you? So why would I go through 90 for 2 extra? Oh, but no, yeah, you can just cancel out. Oh, it's x squared minus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait.
Minus 5.
No, they're both extra.
Yeah, it's up there now, the delay, and then the lockdown.
Yeah, the large camera.
I got X-Code.
What did you guys get?
There's the large, the 4 camera. We got it.
You're right, it was hot.
From the
So,
5 camera launch.
so that's the only one.
So we have
Mark
one, right?
6. I don't know what
What time are you right now?
Did I read it wrong?
No, you read it right. They read it wrong.
Oh.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, but first you get 3.
Oh, there's still dog. Okay. That was really scary.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, you did it right. Divide up this.
No, I subtracted it, so I made it over here, and then I did the methods, like,
There's ways to do it.
no, but I didn't.
So. The lower numbered groups, you could have moved the logs around, but they're all log base 4, log base 4, log base 4. And addition across these guys is multiplication inside. And then there was the question of, like, I have log base 4 here equals log base 4 there. Technically, I'm gonna do 4 to the power on both sides. So those guys drop out. And again, I get algebra. Solving the algebra, I get 2 answers, and I throw that one out because plugging it back in, can't do log of a negative. The other groups, they were like, okay, these guys match. Addition across is multiply within, and then 2 to the, those guys go away. Now again, we get the algebra. Both of their solutions work. So it's possible to get 2 answers that work, no answers that work, or one of them. You gotta check. How you guys, how you doing? Okay, so the rest of whatever is left in class, because I'm completely confused from yesterday, I'd like you guys to work on this. And it didn't photocopy left. Did you not get one yesterday? I believe it's just the ones on the back that it kind of wiped out some of the question. So can you take the worksheet out and fill in the pieces that are missing? There's like a swipe in the copier that doesn't work. Ashley, you didn't get one yesterday. Who else was out yesterday? I especially want you to do this one because it's scary. Got like base square root of 5, like, what the heck, man? Yeah.
When you're base dividing by 2, is it just that, or is it the whole side?
The whole thing, but you didn't divide. I mean, 2x minus 2 is 2x minus 2. So. Oh, wait. There's something funny. Like.
This one, I don't know.
So just 5 to the 2 over 4.
So Tim, how did you say to start this one? Yeah.
You combine those, so you get log base 5 of x squared minus 2x minus 3.
Cameron, how do I, it's gross.
Squared, or squared, to the, or square root 5 squared, so just 5.
I'm gonna write it like that first.
5 equals, x squared minus 2x minus 3.
You're giving it sticky face. Why are you giving it sticky face? What's wrong? You gave it a look like it was really offensive. And Cameron said the square root of 5 squared is 5.
Yeah, no,
How do I deal with the algebra from here? Subtract 5? Joaquin, how's it factor? Or does it not factor?
Plus 2 plus 2 plus 4.
Close.
Oh yeah, because it's negative.
Got it has to multiply to be -8 and add to be -2. So the -4 plus 2, that's it. So I get the answers -2 and +4. Do they both work? What I gotta throw out? Throw out this, I get that. So then the next question we answer, was it x equals 4? The next question to do is that one, right? And remember, the quiz is non-calculator. We're not gonna let you be on Desmos or a graphing calculator. And I'm gonna ask you to leave things calculator ready when you need to do stuff. Someone that was out yesterday gave me a look like, what are you talking about? Sorry? Okay. Lois, can I? Okay. Leah, pick a number. So again, guys, can you look up for a second? Like if I asked you to solve for x in this kind of problem, and you don't get a calculator, I need to get x out of the little log cabin thing. So first thing, I'm gonna convert from log to exponential. And this would be my answer. It is just gross. The other kind of thing that might be just gross, I didn't pick a number.
5.
Allie, pick a number.
2.
So if some calculation gets you here, I want you to write out the change of base, like what you would have to type in on a calculator. So you could either say log 2 over log 5. I am lazy. I choose the one that is just 2 letters. Either one of those would be correct. Now if the log of 2 base goes in the basement. So this is what I mean by calculator ready. This one's not finished. You'll lose a point if you move it there. Good? Okay. So this is the next question. Jonathan, you finished that one, right?
Yeah.
Can you do it on the board? Oh, come on. Nah. I am. how do we do it then? What's the first step?
I added log, log of the second log, on the other side.
Oh, that's hard, really hard to do.
Is it?
Because I have a number and a log. I can't combine numbers and logs together. Do this combined first.
3x minus 9 divided by x minus 2.
Because I saw that on your paper, which is the better right move. Better first move.
It's 8 to the power of cubed, 8 cubed equals
8 to the cube root.
3x minus 9.
Jasper, what is 8 to the 1/3? 2. So the scary thing about that is you had to do a fractional exponent. Then cross multiply, it's all just algebra. Guys are dead silent. What do you think, Gene Gideon? How's it going?
It's going good.
What do we get as an end answer here? Did you finish this one?
Yeah,
What'd you get?
I got 5.
Got 5. I agree. So that means this is problem number 4 to do, because that's where this is. Ooh, 0 power. Anything to the 0 power except 0. Is what? 1? Okay. Because it looks like we're gonna do some stuff and then we're gonna get a 1 out of that, alright? Right, Charles? Yeah, that's what we're going for. Mm-hmm. Yes.
I got 2 for both of these.
I don't know which one I messed up. Well, you said x equals 1 here.
No, this is 2.
Okay.
For this
okay.
one,
So the one that we're on now, what do we do? What's the first thing here?
you do ln and then 2x over x plus 2 equals 0.
And then,
And then you do e to the 0, which is 1, equals 2x over x plus 2. And then you multiply by x plus 2. And then you solve for x, so, yeah.
and you say this one also gave you? a-
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. What's the next thing?
Multiply by x, oh wait. Go to exponential, so it's 6 to the first equals 8x plus 2 over x plus 5.
Okay,
And then you multiply by x plus 5, because the 6 is the first.
To get
is
what?
6. And then you have 6x plus 30 equals 8x plus 2. And
Okay.
then you're subtracting 2 and adding 6x.
subtract 6x.
Oh, subtract 6x. Okay. I think
So
that's
x
where
is
it
14.
was. Yeah.
Anyone else getting stuck in funny places that we should? Yeah.
For that one that we just did, I'll be combining the 6 with the denominator x plus 5 to get 6x.
No, well, in the end, kinda, it looks like that. So, from purple to pink, Holiday said, we're gonna convert from log to exponential. So 6 base to the exponent equals the argument. Now, logs, exponentials, they're all gone. They've been taken care of. So to get from here to there, Holiday cross multiplied 6 times x plus 5 and 8x plus 2 times 1. So So in the end, yes, but don't do that, because that was lucky. That's not a rule. It happened to be what came out in this case. Natalie?
Can you do the top one on the back page?
Top one on the back page. So, all right, Natalie, what would our first step be?
Convert it to.
I can't convert when I have lumps of logs all over the place. I need to squish them all together to be a single log equals a single number.
Wait, is the first one?
Let's talk about x equals 13.
Oh, this one, okay, I thought you were talking about this one, so, okay, sorry. So you said convert it, so, you're right, this one's gross. What does a negative exponent mean? It's in the wrong part of the fraction. So, Natalie, what do I do with 1/4? How do I make it a positive exponent?
You get 4.
It's just 4. And then squared, so 4 squared, 16. Good from there? Add the 6, divide by 2, and we get 11.
Yeah, good point.